Imagine it did, dude. That'd be so weird. Dude, I have the hiccups, bro. This is awful. Carter, I'm gonna have a heart attack.
I'm fucking tired. Can I just, like, take a fucking nap?
No, bro. You cannot. You're in the middle of schooling.
Just take a whole ass nap. Just fall asleep.
Alright, I'm going, Carter. Watch.
It's gonna be in the beginning of your video.
Carter, I'm cooking!
Fireball. I thought you were about to fucking G-horn in.
I'm not slow, Carter. Maybe a little bit, but not
I
fast.
had seen you
3,
do
2,
shit like
1.
that though. Fireball. Fellow gatekeepers, except I die from hiccups.
Bro, maybe.
It's fine. You're fine. You're fine. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Dude, you sound. Are you like dying?
Shut up, dude. Yes. That Sax, I'm actually so pissed.
Holy shit.
This guy's got a spawn. Please.
It's fine. Just stasis turrets. Just grab relic, you're fine. Even if he takes a plate, you're good.
Please don't fucking sack, bro.
Oh my fucking god. Yeah, don't forget your relic.
Alright, bro. Come on, bro. Like, I can't, right?
Yeah. What? Wait, this thing.
Bro, chill.
Nuke the wyverns.
Ah, dude, holy shit, bro.
What the fuck was that, bro?
It was
Like,
fine.
dude.
What do you mean, bro?
Yeah, but like that looks so much more chaotic than it needed to be. You look like you were fucking like a chicken with your head cut off, bro. You're like,
Okay, buddy.
dude, like, bro, you have like
Yeah, you
15
haven't seen my
Valley,
Gatekeeper, bro.
dude.